Okay, guys. Today we have. Am I online now? Okay, it's am I online now? Okay. So, okay, we just finished the install our hacking test today. So, for you that have the same problem with us, so this is let me show you. So I have a configuration like this, and the problem is the Mojave don't recognize my CPU name or processor. Let me show you that I have AMD Ryzen 7 1700X here, and as you know, this CPU is not actually supported by Apple. So yeah, you should be have the problem like this unknown, or it will be read by Intel Core I blah blah blah. So yeah, but it will not show as the correct one. So what we're going to do now, we are going to change this, the unknowns, to the this one, the correct one. Okay, so what we have to do first is we're going to open the terminal, and we're going to check our system integrity status. So we just type here GSR status. Okay, make sure that we have system integrity protections disabled. If this enables, so you're not able to do it, to do this step. So what we have to do first is just make it disable. How to make this disable, you can find the other videos, or I will send you the links below, or I will make the videos how to disable this later. So please just make sure that you know how to make this disable. Okay, all right. So the second one, so the second step, we are going to download the applications. There's some script, what from GitHub website. So the name is CPU name master. CPU name master. Okay, now we have here CropNet CPU name small pi, that means Python. You have to know how to, okay. You don't need to know anything about that, so just follow the step. The first thing first, we are going to download the code. Okay, just uh, put it on a, just paste it on our terminal and then press enter. So later that we need the Xcode. Actually, Xcode is the application programming from Apple developer. This code will be downloaded from Apple website. So just go ahead and click agree, install, and then wait it download it. So yeah, in my connection here, it will be take around, yeah, maybe this time. That will be depend on your connection. It could be more or less than mine, and there's nothing we can do now until it's finished. So yeah, it looks like my internet is not going to get faster, and the time is more, not less but more, get more. So it will take around, yeah, this time. Okay, so I'm going to pause these videos until the all the Xcode is near to the finish, and will be continue later. So yeah, let's see you later. Okay, so yeah, we are almost done. 1 minute left, and okay, 40 minutes. The, I mean second, 7 second installing software. Okay, so now installing the command line developer tools from the Apple website, and there's nothing we can do now instead of just waiting. Okay, now just wait. Okay, now we are finishing to download the Xcode from Apple website, and then the next step, the second step is just for downloading the Xcode. Now we're going to download the real application. So just go ahead and paste it again, this link, and then press enter. So it will download the application. As you can see here, we have the application CPU name here. Let's go ahead and enter the CD CPU name, and then we're going to enter the syntax to allow the comment if not it will be blocked by the Apple security. So we just type that, and then after that we're going to mount our file system. So let's go mount sudo mount. Okay, just put now the second step is we're going to execute the program. That's CPU name command, enter. So as you can see here, we have AMD Ryzen 7 blah 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 here, and just go ahead and type C and enter. You want to override the unknown processor to, and just say yes. Okay, now we are finishing patching the current unknown CPU to AMD Ryzen 7 CPU. Okay, now just type Q to exit, and then we're going to reboot our system. Okay, just close this, close all of this, and then we're going to restart. Okay, now we just restart the system, and now we're going to check. Now we have AMD Ryzen 7 1708 core processor on our system. Okay, it's that easy way to change your processor name unknown by Mojave, or maybe with the Catalina. We don't test it yet, but it should be working. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. See you then in the next videos.